Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the fifth puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday, July the 18th, 2020. Yes, the fifth puzzle is a binary puzzle, and this binary puzzle will be a number 1185. Number 1185. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there's always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here O, there O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. And then between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here O, there O. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here an O, there an O. And then double O, here one, there one. Double one, here an O, there an O. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here an O, there an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here an O, there an O. And then here double O, here one, there one. Double one, here an O, there an O. Do I need to compare? That's the question. Double one, here an O, there an O. 4 O, so the rest are ones. Double one, here an O, there an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4, no, we have 3 O's here. Then I need to compare, I think. Yeah, let me compare. Let me compare with this row and that row. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box. So I need to switch these two boxes. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O here, this should be a 1. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are ones. Double one, here an O, there an O. Do I need to compare again? Yeah, this one and this one. Yeah. 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box. 1 1 0 0 empty box. So I need to switch these two numbers With a 1 here, this should be an O. With a O here, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, and O, then O. Double O here, 1, then 1. And now 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I need to compare again. Yeah. This one, the second. Yes, and this one again. O O O O 1 1 1 1 O O empty box 1 1 empty box. So I need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. With an O here, this should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Finished in 6 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. A lot of comparing. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will continue later with the last Sudoku. This will be this one, a tectonic one, aka Suguru in Japanese. So see you later and bye bye for now.